Hey, what's up guys, Will here for GSM Arena. Xiaomi has always shown a lot of innovation in this Mi Mix lineup, and the latest model, the Mi Mix 3, is no exception. On top of the bells and whistles you'd want from a flagship, it also packs a sliding selfie camera. And it's just arrived, so let's check it out. Let's open this box up. Immediately we see the phone, in black. Looks nice. Under this we have a little message from Xiaomi's CEO, basically promising to be the most innovative, hardworking, and friendly company. Set that off to the side. And here we have a 10-watt wireless charger. Never seen that included in the box before. Under here we have a little package. There's a SIM tool and USB-C dongle, since there's no headphone jack on this phone. Alrighty. There's a USB-C cable here. And finally, an 18-watt quick charger. So now that we have the Mi Mix 3 in our hands, let's go over what makes it special. The Mi Mix 3 is a flagship through and through. It has a top-of-the-line Snapdragon 845 chipset with plenty of RAM. It supports both quick charging and wireless charging. And it runs the latest MIUI 10 over Android 9 Pie. But probably its most unique aspect is its physical sliding mechanism, which hides the selfie camera inside of the body behind the screen. Sliding it open is simple, and it automatically launches the selfie cam. You can also program it to open a customizable menu. This motion can also answer a phone call, just like an old-school sliding phone, but you can still answer and talk with the slider closed too. We were excited to slide this open for Face Unlock, but it appears that the rear-mounted fingerprint reader is your only unlock option. Regardless, Xiaomi says that the slider is tested to over 300,000 uses, so you can fidget with it all you want. However, we do wonder how it affects the overall structure of the phone, and if the Mi Mix 3 will be able to handle being dropped. It definitely isn't waterproof at the very least. That said, the phone does have a strong frame, made out of 7000 series aluminum. The back is made not of glass, but a shiny mirror-like ceramic. The ceramic is quite slippery, so it might be better to use the included case to add some grip. Thanks to the hidden selfie cam, the front of the Mi Mix 3 is a totally bezel-less and notchless 6.4-inch AMOLED display. At 1080p, content should look decent, and we look forward to testing it out. The Mi Mix 3 has a dual camera setup on both the back and the front. Starting with the rear ones, both 12 megapixels, there's a main cam with dual pixel autofocus and OIS, and a telephoto used for zoom and portrait mode. We did get a chance to try out the camera for a while in Beijing, when we got our first look at the phone. Here are a few shots we took while we were there. We'll have a detailed analysis of the camera quality in our full review. The selfie setup has a 24 megapixel main cam, and a 2 megapixel one for depth sensing in portrait mode. We snapped a few selfies, and we weren't disappointed. So there you have it guys, truly bezel-less phones are finally here, though different manufacturers are using different methods to get there. Do you think the slider is the best solution, or do you prefer the dual screen approach? Let us know down in the comments below, as well as any questions you might have, and we'll try to answer them in our full review coming soon. See ya!